Hey y'all, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little video. I had a little PR package turn up from the brand called You Are Sugar. Now, You Are Sugar is not a brand new brand, but they are new to me. I've never tried any of their products before. They sent over a no wipe top coat as well as 4 of their colors. They are 7.5 ml bottles in their plastic bottles. Before I dive into the swatches, I did want to talk about what they have available on their website, as well as a discount code that I have for you guys. So they do have a ton of different products on their website. If y'all may or may not know, I am a humongous fan of rubber base coats. They have so many freaking finishes of rubber base coats that I have never before seen. They have reflective glitters, they have neons, they have magnetics. I mean, the list goes on and on. And look at this a thermal rubber base coat. Like, who is doing that? And look at all of these gorgeous freaking colors. Dude, you could just wear these on their own. Wear them on their own. Just throw on a couple coats of a thermal rubber base and a top coat, and boom, you are good to go. They also, of course, have just their colored gels. They have neons, and they have glow in the darks. They have a beautiful collection of glow in the dark polishes. Of course, they also do, I'm having a brain fart, polygels. They have reflective glitter polishes, glow in the darks, again, like I said, magnetics. I mean, you name it, they out here doing it, honey. But they also have free shipping over $20, which is like unheard of. And 30-day returns. They ship worldwide. Y'all, go check out You Are Sugar. I have a code. You can save 10% at You Are Sugar with code BLL10. That's going to save you 10%. But if you shop now through tomorrow, which is the 31st, they also have a 50% off code, which I believe the code is welcome50. It'll be at the top of their website when you go shopping. You can use code welcome50 to save 50%, as well as my 10% off code, and save 60%. What? Who is doing this? Who else is doing this? Save 60%. If you catch this video and it's too late to grab that 60% off code, right? Because that's good through tomorrow, the 31st of October. Their Black Friday sales are coming up, y'all. So I do believe once their Black Friday sales start, look at this gorgeous, oh, look at these beautiful glitters. Once their Black Friday sales start, I do believe you can also use my 10% off code on top of that. Don't quote me, but I do believe that is the truth. Okay, I think I've gotten all of the You Are Sugar info out the way. Now let's dive on into the swatches, honey. Okay, so when they reached out to me and asked me to select a few products, I chose the products that, number one, that I love. I do love me some Milky mayonnaise, some Milky nails. So I chose a Milky White. As far as I'm concerned, you cannot have too many Milky Whites in your collection. They're so versatile. Just jellies in general, they're way more versatile than you probably imagine that they could be. So I chose this Milky White. It's beautiful. I'm only going to do one coat of each of these polishes for y'all on camera, but I do circle back at the very end and show y'all the 2 coats that I do. And this is the pink. I don't even really know. It is jelly. Like, it's a little bit sheer, as you can see here, but it's not really jelly, if that makes any sense whatsoever. Fully opaque in 2 coats. It's beautiful, but it's not a cream, like a pink cream, if that makes sense. It's not fully opaque on 1 coat, of course. This is 1 coat, great coverage, so you can imagine what 2 coats will be like. Now, this one is URH126, and this is a black jelly with tons of Holo glitter and adorbs little star chunky glitters in here. This is, it may not be your everyday polish, But think of number one, think of like New Year's Eve, but also what a cute, fun, whimsical little base this will make for nail art. There are so many beautiful hollow glitters in here, but the little, and again, I apologize, I didn't get a ton out on that first coat, but there are, look at these hollow stars. How freaking cute is this? I love this. You could do like a cosmic galaxy mani with that. So cute. This is a quintessential fall color, y'alls. If you may or may not know, if you're not new here, I don't live my life based on seasonal colors because I wear every color all year round. Does not matter to me. This is also a color that I personally would wear in the summertime because that's just how I roll. But if you are definitely a seasonal, I'm looking for fall and winter colors right now type of person, this red is just, it is chef's kiss. Even on one coat, the coverage is phenomenal, but I would definitely categorize this as a cream and not a jelly. It is so freaking beautiful. Ooh, especially if you're a red fan. If you're a red fan, honey, you need this color. It is so stunning. Now, the no wipe top coat, honestly, y'all know I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I was not a fan of this. I did top all of my swatches with the no wipe top coat, but after I cured it, and I cure everything for 60 seconds, after I cured it, it was still a little bit tacky to me because I always will run my finger over a brand new, a new to me no wipe top coat. It was tacky. It left fingerprints. I really was not a fan of the no wipe top coat, so I don't want to say go ahead and skip that. If you're shopping, but I really wasn't a fan. I wouldn't even use it to top my pop sticks because, going forward, because my pop sticks would still sort of stick to each other. So, any boobs. The rest of the products, phenomenal. Look at that black. Ooh, I just love it so much. And that red, just stop it. Stop it right now. So beautiful. So, yeah, again, use code BLL10 when you are shopping at You Are Sugar. All the links for all the products will be down in the description box below. Thank you so much to You Are Sugar for sending over these products. And yeah, I think that's it. Unfortunately, I did not have time to do a mani with these, but I will. I will eventually at some point. But I didn't have time before I shot out for G Money's house a couple weeks ago. I was there last week. So unfortunately, I did not get to do a mani with these, but I will be using these. I will be incorporating these, of course, especially that milky white. It's absolutely beautiful. So that's going to do it for me. If y'all stuck around this long, cookies, kudos, and trophies to y'all. The keyword is star. The keyword is star. That's going to do it for me, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.